Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're at Jolly's and we're going to check out the twin charge TSI engine. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so we've only got probably a couple of hours here, so let's get stuck into it. Alright, this is a Mark 6, so we've got turbocharger at the top, supercharger somewhere down there. Somebody's taken the cap off and left it off. Also somebody's taken the strut. So, engine cover's holding it up. I wonder if this is any different. So somebody's had it off. Anyways, it's been raining today, so I don't know what the supercharger looks like. It's probably gone by the looks of it. There's a bracket. There's a pipe to nothing, so I think there's another one here somewhere. So I found the other one. It's got its sunroof. And it's a Flintstone car. Engine's gone. Must be expensive. What I might do is I'll head back to the other one and see if they haven't chucked it in the back. Something. Save it for later. So somebody's pulled the engine out of the Mark 5 that's next to the Mark 6. It's a 2-litre FSI. I didn't know it was a dual exhaust there. I only noticed because of that. And look. Where is it? Audi. Alright, let's head back to the other one. Fuzz. What we got here? The Holden. Fuzz. I need to get back into my fuzz. Right, gonna head back to the other Mark 6 that had the engine still in it and have a look around and maybe look at some fuzzes. I don't know these engines very well. I'm pretty sure that's the supercharger on the back of the engine. I thought it was on the front. Well, it looks like that's the AC exhaust. The cooler pipe goes around it. I'm going to tear this engine down a bit up the top. Alright, so we've got to get down into there, I'm guessing. Okay, so we've got this intake pipe that goes to the front of the turbo. I believe it goes down to the supercharger. So the supercharger goes up and into the front of the turbo. So we'll get that off. Alrighty, just got this pipe off. Chuck that in the car. This one just pretty much popped off too. Sorry, this one pretty much popped off too. Alrighty, so I've got that little pipe here off. I'm just getting rid of this hose because it's in the way. I'm defeated here. I don't have the right tools. You can see the pulley down there. Supercharger, so I've got to get the intake off. This is the charge pipe from the supercharger. Obviously throttle body. Got 3 of the bolts out. Got 3 bolts off here. Can't seem to. That's probably why. Back soon. Alright guys, so there's actually 4 screws. I didn't see this one. So 1, 2, 3, and that one. These are just locating pins, as you can see. Hoping by doing this, I'm going to make somebody's day a bit easier when they come here for throttle body or sensors or something. Definitely a unit you get off from underneath the car, or definitely while the engine's out. So I just went and grabbed the belt to see if it actually fit on a Subaru, and it's got more ribs on the Volkswagen, so it's definitely not a direct fit. I have to change the wheel, or the pulley should I say. But so didn't get anything. Learned a lot about the TSI engine though. There's a lot going on. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it to my mechanic to fix anything major on the Mrs. car. And, I'll probably head home and start sanding the roof on this. Stay tuned for next episode, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.